Hey Audi lovers, welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel, your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Let's dive into solving those pesky Audi transmission problems that can really throw a wrench in your driving experience. First up, transmission slippage. Ever felt your Audi shifting gears on its own? Yeah, not cool. The fix could be as simple as checking and topping off your transmission fluid. If that doesn't cut it, you might need to look at replacing the transmission filter or checking those transmission bands for any wear. Now let's talk about delayed gear engagement. It's that annoying pause when you switch from park to drive or reverse. A good starting point here is making sure your transmission fluid is filled to the proper level and is clean. Sometimes though, you might just need a software update or reprogramming of the transmission control module to get things smooth again. Moving on to overheating. This one's a biggie because it can lead to some serious damage. Keep those fluid levels in check. Consider an auxiliary transmission cooler, and try not to push your Audi too hard, especially when towing. Hearing some weird noises, grinding, whining, or clunking sounds can signal internal damage. This is usually a job for the pros, so don't wait around. Worn gears or bearings need prompt attention to avoid bigger headaches down the road. And of course, fluid leaks. These can be sneaky but wreak havoc by causing low fluid levels. Check the transmission pan, gaskets, and seals for any signs of leaks and get them fixed up ASAP. Why choose All Auto Parts Group for your Audi's transmission woes? Well, we've got expert technicians who know Audis inside out. We use only top-notch parts, and our prices, they're as friendly as I am. Plus, we're all about making sure you're satisfied with the work. So there you have it, folks. Understanding and tackling these common issues can save you both time and money and keep your Audi purring like a kitten. For more tips and solutions, swing by our website, Allused Auto Parts World, or give us a call on +1 865 505 0345. Keep those gears shifting smoothly, and do like and subscribe All Auto Parts Group channel. Until next time.